Material categories are used to group and help identify material items. In this module, learn how to set them up and use them to track materials. Also, learn how material categories are linked to the chart of accounts in your Xero accounting system. Head to Materials in the Global Settings tab, then click on Material Categories. You can see here that we've already got several categories set up. To add another one, click New Material Category. Add a name and code for this material category and click Save. In this list of material items, you can see that they have all been categorised in this column. You can filter the whole list by category here, so now we're only seeing hardware items. This filter is also available when you're searching for items when making sales or purchase orders. These material categories are linked to your chart of accounts in Xero. If we go back to the Material Categories tab, you can see that there are columns that link to Xero accounts. When transactions occur for materials linked to material categories, they can be posted to these different Xero accounts. This is optional and will only appear if you click Enable Advanced Mapping in your Xero setup.